Before we get into the video, make sure to pause, take a moment, like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified for all my future uploads. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a different type of makeup tutorial because I'm going to be doing a full face of only using NYX Cosmetics products. That was a mouthful. So if you would like to see what I came up with, then just keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to do is prime my face with the NYX Angel Veil face primer. Next, I'm going to take the NYX BB cream and use a beauty blender and apply it all over my face, and as usual, bring it down onto my neck and my jawline. Now I'm going to be taking a powder also by NYX, and I'm going to apply it all over my face, and I'm going to focus it also under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. Now I'm going to be taking this blush by NYX and apply it to the apples of my cheeks, my temples, and on my forehead. Using a NYX bronzer, I'm going to apply it to the hollows of my cheeks and onto my jawline. Now I'm going to be priming my eyes with the NYX eyeshadow base in white. Using the Perfect Fill Test palette, I am going to be taking the kind of silvery browny color, I'm not really sure what you want to call it, and I'm going to apply it all over my lids and bring it up to my brow bone and down onto my lower lash line. Now I'm going to be taking this silver liquid liner, also by NYX, of course, and I'm going to be applying it to my upper lash line. And now it's time to fill in my brows with the NYX Cake Powder Brow product. Lastly, I'm going to be applying this kind of bright corally lipstick by NYX, of course, onto my lips. I just think it just gives the look a little extra punch. So this is the result of the makeup look. I'm kind of liking it. I wasn't really sure how well some colors would go together, but I think it turned out pretty well. So that is all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed my first full face of video, and I will see you all next Sunday. Bye!